Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good day, viewers. Welcome to our math class. Our topic for today is how to write decimal in word form. Good. Before you can do this, we have to understand what is called what? The first name and the last name. And we are going to make use of this table to break down this decimal number, so we'll be able to write it in word. Now, and again, this our decimal point serve as what? And. Serve as what? And. Now, first of all, this is my first example. I have the whole part, which is what? 0, and I have my decimal point, which is what? 8, 9. Now, let us move now. My whole part is what? 0. Then, my decimal part is what? 8, 9. So, how am I going to write this? We have what? First name and what? Last name. Since our whole part is 0, so I don't need to write anything first. Then the next thing I'm going to go for is what? I have 8, 9. This is my what? 8, 9. Which penal what? 80 what? 9. 89. Then the place value of this my 9 is going to serve as the last name. What is the place value of this my 9? Is what? 100. I have what? 100. So this is pronounced as what? 8900. So my second example, if you look at this second example carefully, you're going to say it seems like what? The first example, but it's quite different. The place value is what? It's quite different. I have a 0.089. Since my whole part is what? Is 0, then I have to move what? I have to move to the digit, which is what? The number after the decimal point. I have what? 8, 9. So this is our first name. Our first name is pronounced what? 80 what? 89. 89. Then, what is the place value of this my 9? The place value of my 9 is what? 1000. So I have 89,000. Good. For the C, for my C, I have 2. My whole part is 2. Point and decimal part is what? 4. Now, we have to learn how to write this. This is something out. I'm going to write my whole part. What is our whole part? It's 2. I'll write it in word. 2. Then our point serve as what? And. I have my and. Then my first name is what? 4. And the place value of the 4 is what? Is the last name, which is what? 10th. So I have, which is 10th. So this is now 2 and 4 tenths. My D, our D, we have 89.51. 89 is the whole part. Why? 5, 1. So I have to write my whole part. I have 89. Then my point serve as what? And. After that, we have what? 5, 1. So this is my 5, 1. If you want to pronounce it by using what? The first name, what is 5, 1? 51. Let us write 51 outside. 50 what? 1. Now what is the place value of the 1? I have what? 100. On what? 100. Then the last one, we have we have 200 and what? 12. Initially, we do pronounce this as what? This 200 and what? 12. But because of the decimal point, we won't pronounce as what? 212. Then we are going to pronounce as what? 212. Then I have 0.0075. Now the whole part, you are going to write it as 200 What do you have here? 12. Previously, in our former class, the equalizer of 200 and what? 12. But because of this decimal point, you won't add the and to it. So it's what? 212. Then I have my point. My point is what? And then I have 0075. This is 0075 is now what? If I should write it, I have what? 75. So my first name is what? 75. Then what is the place value of this my 5? The place value of 5 is what? 10,000. So I have 75, 10,000. So this is how to write decimal number in what? In word form. So kindly drop your answer for this value at the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, Rock Math Class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.